Unfortunately, the human being wasn't designed like a machine. And it doesn't work all the time. What happens to a lot of us is that the tool belt, as we seek to achieve in life, the tool belt gets heavier and heavier and heavier and heavier because we have more and more tools. How many platforms do you work with in a day? How many passwords do you have? I have pages, I have lists, otherwise I would lose it. There's no way. I'd be resetting my password every time I logged into a site because I couldn't remember. I have over 23 sites that I use on not a daily basis, but on a regular enough basis to do what I do logistically, whether it's at work or in life. We have the horizontal skill sets to do what we need to do in a day, and that's all about the doing. We need both sides. The vertical skill set is who you're being while you're doing it, and these are the wonderful benefits of such learning. It's a different kind of learning. It's kind of like when your tool belt gets really heavy, you need to have that vertical uplift strength training to be able to hold all of that. We find out with a lot of executives that if you do not scale yourself, you can't scale your company, you can't scale your life, your career. That's the scaling part. It's not about having more things to do. It's about having the strength to do them with ease.